Lalakad lang kami until mahanap namin yung sushi roll. Nasa Shirasawa kami right now. We are in Sushi Roll. Sana masarap. Kasi first time namin itong itatry. Hindi ako makakita ng pura sushi. So, ito muna. And this is our first meal today.
Ang dami ito. Ganda. Salmon roll, tsaka totoro. Ilan ba in-order mo? Hindi pa ba kompleto yan? Anin?
Yung shrimp na lang. Hey guys, so nakauwi na tayo. After how long nag-sushiro kami kanina for lunch. And then parang hindi ko alam, nakatatlong grocery ata kami today. Sobrang dami namin pinuntahang grocery. Tapos hindi naman kami masyado kasing nag-iikot pa kasi iniintay namin sila. And ang ingay ma.
Ulitin mo na bukas.
Okay. So, ito pa pala yung nabili ko. Nagpunta kami ng Abeno Q Mall today. Thank you, Mother, pala. Hindi ko siya binili. Binili ni Mama from GU. Naka-sale siya, 990 yen. And it's so big! I love it! I love a big bag. Yes, big bag. So, pagod na ako kasi, nakaka 21,000 steps na tayo today. Thank you, God. Kasi, sobrang daming kinain kanina na sushi. And I feel like hindi lang yun yung only time na magsusushi kami. Kasi dadating na yung dalawa kong big bags. Ka-big bags. Okay, so, nagpunta kami ng drugstore kanina and I, bought these. Kasi sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. And mali ata yung shoes kong suot. Pero yun lang yung dala ko. So, ito. Bibili tayo ng shoes. Ang dami kong biniling dessert kanina or candies. Pero, just like, just like this. Kasi mga ganyan. More on ganyan. Ano ba? Ang dami rin namin nabili. Ang dami ko talagang kakaiba ring binili kanina. Kasi parang mga interesting yung stuff. Like this. Favorite ko yung mentay ko. Like yung kinain ko nung last video. This is mayonnaise. Japanese mayonnaise na may mentay ko. And it's so good. So, uuwiin ko yan. Hindi ko muna siya bubuksan. And then, nakita ko ng, I think you call this gnocchi. And sobrang curious ko kasi dyan. Sa Caldi ata yung name ng store. And meron siyang gnocchi na pwede ko lutuin. So, syempre, bumili na din ako nung sauce. Yes. And, ano pa ba? For dinner, we're going to eat. Di lang aking tuwa. Sobrang nagigilty na ako sa mga kinakain ko, I swear. Okay, so we have oden. Odeng. Basta yun. Kasi it's super cold. Kahit sa loob ng Airbnb. And then, bumili ako ng scallops. Scallops naman, diba? It's scallops. Gigantic scallops. Hindi to shell. That's also scallop. So, we have that. And of course, the love of my life. Sorry, kaya na. Salmon! Sashimi! Yes. And then, for dessert, we have, hindi ko alam kung warabi mochi ba tawag dito. Pero naka 20% off siya, so we're gonna eat it. Eat it! Ay, ito pa pala nabili ko kanina. Kasi naalala ko yung usong straw sa Philippines dati. Childhood siya. So, like, nakakita ako ng ganito and it's gluten-free. I don't know if you know this, pero it's a straw that you put in the milk. Tapos, yung may inom mo ng milk is flavored because of the things inside the straw. Ayun. And then, ano pa ba? I got milk. Sawa-sawa na ako sa mga carbonated beverages. Parang nakakalima na ako today. And that's not good. Also, favorite ever, Ariel. So, if you're ever in Japan or bibili kayo ng chichirya, if you see Ariel, go try it out because it's so good. I feel like sobrang dami ko pa pwede ipakita. So, wait a second. Okay, so nakuha ko na siya. Sample lang nung mga pinagbibili ko kanina. We're going to heal our inner childhood. So, bumili ako ng Poppin' Cookin. Hindi ko alam kung baliktad pa ka. Hindi ko alam kung baliktad pa din. Ay! Hindi ko alam kung alam nyo to, but it's candy, I think, na ikaw yung gagawa. Meron siyang mga parang plastic and papers na dun mo aayusin lahat. And it's going to turn out like this, depende sa kung gaano ka-skilled gumawa. And it's going to be fun. Alam ko nagawa na ng ate ko yon, so I think it's not going to disappoint. Ano pa mga remaining na binili ko? Yung gummy kanina. And then I got high chews, the grape one and the strawberry one. Meron kasi siyang laman sa loob. Nasaan ba yun? May picture yan eh. Basta meron, ayun! Ayan na, meron siyang laman sa loob and I think it's gonna be good. And then Mentos, nakakaiba. Binili ko siya kasi iba siya. It's, I don't know if you see, Ramune? Ramyun? Ramune. Basta yung Japanese soda. So, there's that. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga pasabay ng sister Kosh. Color. Ayan, oh. Kita mo yan. Ay, marami pa akong binili pero nandoon. I think. Basta, it's like this na lang. Ay! Ito pala yung akin. Nasama dito. So, mga collectible cards to. May treat din na wafer sa loob. So, binili ko talaga siya para dun sa collectible cards. And, pasalubong ko to someone. Basta yan. And then, there's also this, Sanrio themed na mga ganito. Ganyan. Ano pa ba? Oh, meron ulit Haichu na ganito. It's candy. It's different. And, last is yung Pokemon wafer as well. Hindi ko alam kung may card din to. Pero kinuha ko siya kasi Pokemon. Sabi ko para sa pamangkin ko pa din. Kasi I love my pamangkins. Kaya ko makipagbatayan for my pamangkins, you know.
Grabe naman. Patay agad.
Patay na agad! Confrontation pa. We're not confrontational, you know. Pwede na mamatay. Criminal pala. Anyway, okay. So, bumili ako ng Fino hair mask. Nag-try muna kami nito bago pumunta ng Japan. And it was a hit for me, but a miss for my sister. So, this is stuff. It's the good stuff, you know. This is the DHC, I think, for diet siya. And then you consume this for 20 days. So I bought 2. One for me and ano. Tapos my mama bought na age cream. Basta something like that. Kaya siya naka-plastic and hindi siya pwedeng buksan because this is tax-free. And I don't know if you can read this or baliktad, but it says, please don't open in Japan. Kasi everything that you buy tax-free, bawal mo siyang i-open or i-consume while you're still in Japan. So, hanggang hindi ka pa nakauwi ng Pilipinas, you're going to put this in your luggage nung naka-plastic ng ganito. Okay? So, let's eat kasi gutom na ako. Morning. Ay, joke. Morning pa ba? 1 na pala. Good afternoon. Nakapag-grocery kami kanina and errand ng Daiso. So now, we're going to the aquarium. Sarap ng araw, guys. Water break muna. We're in I think Osaka ko yung train station kanina. Mayroong bridge and Ferris wheel. That's Legoland behind me. And the aquarium. Super sarap. Super winner. Matcha prep. They're here. Wala akong lipi.